how to make Snapchat shortcut. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you other interesting Snapchat tricks. So, to make a shortcut we need to open Snapchat. We can make a video with our camera, or we can use the videos posted by other people. So we click here and then click send snap. Here type at the top send to, we click on it, and here you can find create shortcut. We click on it, we select a single emoji. Now select the contacts you want to send this to and create shortcut. Click the link at the top of this video to see other Snapchat tricks.